Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Then select Alarm section at the top left corner and click on this little plus at the bottom. Now set up an hour. When you finished, hit OK at the bottom right corner of this little pop-up. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. If you want to adjust its settings, start by tapping on Repeat. Now click on days of the week that you wish to exclude. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then click on this square next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click on this little bell. Sorry, misclick. Over here you can tap on Add New under your sounds and tap on any song from your device to apply it. You can also just click on one of those sounds, like spring. Now select Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. To hide all of those settings, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of your alarm. Now to switch it off completely, click on the red sweater next to it. And to switch it back on, tap on the same, now gray one. If you wish to delete your alarm, click on the bottom right corner of it and tap on bin icon at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!